What's the meaning of coordinate? Coordinate. Coordinate.
Coordinate. Coordinate. Coordinate refers to the act of organizing, directing, or synchronizing various elements or activities towards a common goal. It involves ensuring that different parts of a system or project work together effectively and efficiently. Coordination may involve tasks such as scheduling, communicating, delegating, and monitoring progress. Effective coordination is critical for achieving successful outcomes in complex endeavors such as business projects, disaster response, and military operations. It requires clear communication, collaboration, and situational awareness among all participants involved, ultimately resulting in a cohesive and well-functioning system.